At this point, it's no news that there is serious global recession, inflation, depression, all the shons, and it's mentally draining. And a lot of people think that it's just within economics, within the markets, buy and sell. Do you know that YouTube pays in dollars? I don't know about first world countries, but I know in Nigeria, if you're a content creator, you get paid in dollars. And if the dollar is struggling with all this shun, inflation and all that, what makes you think that it's not affecting YouTube? Anyway guys, hello and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It is your favorite baby girl, Mama Dina Ikueme, in the building. Let's just be truthful. If you are walking around these YouTube streets, especially if you are not an influencer, when I say influencer, you know, the big boys, you will know that this YouTube algorithm is hitting everybody. People are recording low views. I'm not exempted. We're sitting down on top of this table. A lot of things have changed, and the changes didn't start this year. Many people think that, oh, these changes are just normal. It's normal, you know, for us to be having low views, low engagement. People who used to post and get 5,000 views within 24 hours, it's not forthcoming anymore. People do not realize that YouTube itself, it's a business. It's not about posting content and cashing out. The money you're cashing, there are people paying YouTube to advertise all those things that you see, all those skip ads, all those tiny ads you see. Yes, people pay for that for you to feed. And because the global economy is in a higgy-haggard situation, obviously a lot of business are not investing a lot of monies that they used to as of 4 or 5 years ago, even as of 3 years ago, COVID time. I know people cashed out, let's not lie. A lot of changes that I will be sharing in this video. You would ask, is it too late to start a YouTube channel? It's already November. I will tell you, sister, brother, no, it is not. Can I get my first paycheck? Is it still possible to get a first paycheck by December? I will tell you yes. Now, wait, calm down. We're going to do a full draft on how you can achieve this within 6 weeks. So you might as well watch until the end if you want to be making the moolah by January 2024. If I have only 6 weeks to open a YouTube channel, create my own brand, and start making money, how do I go about that in this current state? First off, a lot of changes have had to happen on YouTube in the year 2023. For you to get monetized, that is, for you to start seeing money on YouTube, there are certain criteria that you have to meet. Number one, you have to hit 1,000 subscribers. Number two, you have to get 4,000 watch hours, which is not so easy to attain. And the last one that they included this year is 90 million views from your YouTube shorts. A lot of people see YouTube shorts. I know recently most people have been seeing me posting a lot of shorts, all those 1 minute videos. Sincerely, those videos are the videos that are being pumped out by YouTube more than your regular videos. Those that know, they know. People who know are using it to grow their subscribership. Even if they don't pay, you know, with shorts, 1 million views is like $300 or thereabouts. Even if they don't pay as much as they pay your regular views, you'll be getting a lot of subscribers. I jumped over 5,000 subscribers since August until now, just by posting YouTube shorts. So let's create a plan to get you to that 1,000 subscribers, to get you up and going in 6 weeks. The first thing I'll think about is, what do I want to do? And it shouldn't be about, oh, this, I like that, I like. No, we're talking 6 weeks. So you need to ask yourself, what is popping in the market? In the market, I mean on YouTube now. What sort of videos would I post? And instantaneously, people are checking me out. Within 24 hours, I have the algorithm, and I'll share a few niches that I know right now are popping. Number one, trendy gist, celebrity gist. People are already going through a lot in their real life to come back on YouTube to still be hearing all about the economy, or to be hearing all the chaos happening in the world. People just want to get away from the reality of things. So one niche that is sort of comforting, that gets you gisting with people, gets you interacting, is trendy topics, celebrity gist, entertainment. Who is it that is popping on the street? Who is it that is popping in Nollywood, in Hollywood, in Bollywood? Get the latest gist, create sharp video, post within 24 hours, and you see your views go up. Another niche you may want to delve into is finance. People are looking for, because of inflation, how to save, how to invest, how to be frugal, how to be minimalist. People are searching for these sort of topics, and advertisers pay more for those sort of content. So if you're looking for what to enter, that's another popping niche right now. Another niche you may want to delve into, even if you're not doing the do, but you know it's popping right now. It's been popping for over 2 years now. It's relocation content, and it's not just Africans. Let me tell you the truth. People are moving from UK to Australia, Canada to this, Nigeria to Canada, different places. And yeah, I wouldn't lie to you. If you don't want to be the person showing your real life on how you moved and the things you did, which can proffer solution to someone who is wanting to move, you can talk about immigration rules, immigration laws. I see a lot of YouTubers doing such sort of content even without being licensed. They're not immigration officers, they put disclaimers and all that, but they do their research, their due diligence, and their contents are popping because people want to know, where can I move to? I'm tired of my country is not moving. Global economy is in such mess that people are looking for greener pastures. So why not start talking about those greener pastures? These are many more niches. Lifestyle used to pop, but I feel like now it's 50-50, depends. Pregnancy videos, documenting family contents and all that. People, they born every day, so definitely people will be interested in finding who they can relate to and relate with. There are people who also go faceless. There are a lot of faceless contents, DIY. Because of the cost of living, people are not spending money doing things that they feel they can do themselves. So DIYs, how to braid, how to sew, how to do carpentry work, popping niches right now. So if you look at all these niches and you think, okay, which one can I delve into? It's not about you and what you like, it's about what does the market want? What do the audience, the community, what is relevant on YouTube in 2023? And that's what you want to go into. Because if you say you want to do what I just want to show my face, it's not gonna work. Not anymore. All of us still doing what we've been doing for 5-6 years now. It's circumstantial. I mean, I could easily delve into these niches, but circumstances is what's keeping me where I am. But I'm going to tell you the truth. I'm not gonna lie to you. Most of these niches are popping. You can use the YouTube search button to verify all these things I'm talking about yourself. Now you have your niche, you've picked out your niche, you have to pick out a brand name, you have to have a Gmail. Obviously, if you have a Gmail, you have a YouTube account, and the next thing is planning your first 20 videos. No, I'm not talking about intro. Intro is irrelevant in 2023. Nobody wants to hear what you want to do. Show us what you're doing. It's 2023, baby. Show us what you're doing. No one wants to hear, it's my first YouTube video. That was so our time. Now nobody cares. The Gen Z buddies, they don't care. What are you showing us? What is happening? That's what they need to know. So you need to get serious and start penning down the ideas that you want for the particular niche that you've chosen, and pick a whole week that you will sit down, different days in a day, you're filming 2 or 3 of those contents. If it's outdoor, you plan around your life. No matter how busy your life is, if you want to make this work, there needs to be some compromises, some sacrifices, motivation, and discipline. I don't care how you get them. If you want to order them from Amazon, order them, but you need to have these things to be able to put your foot down, plan these contents, and just get going. Obviously, all these things I've shared, that's the easy part. It's easy to choose a name. Skelewu FC. Start talking about football. It's easy. That one is easy. A 7-year-old, 8-year-old can do all that. Even suggest things for you to film. The hard part now is how to put it on the market. It's not I want to start a business, I have the name of my business, I've bought a company name, I've done that, I've registered it. The main thing now is what? How to sell, because you can rent your shop, do everything, and markets no go still go. If you don't know how to move your product around, it's gonna be a flop. So that is where the hard part comes in. The algorithm, the title, the thumbnail, the tags, the category of your video, how to put the description in order, the engagement, the first 5 minutes of your video, a lot. You need to know all that, and that's where I come in. Relax. Relax. That is where Mama Dinah Ekweme comes in. I've been in this business of YouTube for over 6 years now, and I can tell you that I've mentored over 800 students that have gone on to start up their own YouTube channel and are doing well. Now, if you've never heard of my master classes, I have one coming up on the 2nd and the 3rd of December. This particular masterclass is called the Money Bag Edition. Why did I title it? I need you to come and make money. Yes, if you're living in Nigeria, Africa, this is the time to go online, because you can see what the dollar is doing to most of our currencies. It's just devaluing it. If you're earning in your local currency, you know how painful it is right now. If YouTube can pay you $100 and you convert that to Nigerian naira, that is over 100,000 naira. You're way better off than earning in naira, seriously, in this economy. And that's why this master class has been curated for you who is interested, who is willing, who you see yourself probably doing what I'm doing, or you've been watching a lot of YouTubers and you think, I think it's time, I think I'm ready to do this, I think, yeah, this is something I can do, it's doable, I can combine it with my main work, it can be a passive income source or whatsoever. You need to sign up for this masterclass, and the amazing thing is that I made it very, this is the cheapest masterclass that I've ever done, I'm ever going to do on YouTube. So why not grab the opportunity? You have the Body Money Bag Edition. The Body is a personalized masterclass, just me and you, and it will last a span of 2 weeks. All that you're seeing on the flyer and many more whatsoever. We're going to curate a channel for you if you don't have one. If you're thinking of rebranding, reniching, I'm going to hold your hand and do all of that with you and for you. If you're going for the level up, that's 1 week of intense coaching. If you're going for the group, obviously that's just 1 weekend, and it's just going to be a 2-hour Zoom class and a whole day's WhatsApp class and interaction. All the options that you're seeing on the flyer, they're all going to cover everything you're seeing on that flyer. The only difference is the time, the duration. Obviously, for the group class, a lot will be squeezed in just 1 weekend. For the level up, 1 week, and for the body, YouTube body, come be a body. You want to be a YouTube buddy. You want to be able to say, January, I've gotten my first paycheck. Now I'm thinking of how to take this business to another level. If this is for you, please email me, the email on your screen. I know and I can understand, because of a lot of things, people who have families whatsoever, jobs, tedious jobs, 2 jobs, 3 jobs, it can seem impossible to fix or squeeze in content creation in your already tight routine. But believe me, content creation is not just only about showing yourself, your personal life, your family. In fact, that sort of content creation is slowly beginning to evaporate. It's all about value. It's all about, there are so many tons of faceless channels that are breaking boundaries, hitting limits, surpassing limits here on YouTube, and you want to look back and say, thank God I started when I did. If you feel like this is something that you would love to do, like I said, email me at vlogwithdina@gmail.com. Anyway guys, I would love to know, what do you think about the current state of YouTube? Are you rebranding? Are you reniching? What are you doing about it as a content creator? Do you feel like giving up? Because as much as you want to give up, if you go to the real life, or if you don't have a job and you see people who are working, it feels the same. A lot of things are slowing down economically, and YouTube is not exempted. Investors are slowing down on adverts and revenues and paying YouTube. Those that are paying, there are stricter ways now to advertise things, obviously to make more profit and all that. So YouTube is doubling down on a whole lot of measures that I would love for you to know. If you don't know all these things, you should sign up for this masterclass. It would really open your eyes. Anyway guys, do make sure to let me know what you think about this video. Would you be attending my masterclass? I would really love to know. Do make sure that you give this video a massive thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hopefully I am going to see you guys in my next video. For now,